our heart as individual teachers. I keep telling people, why do you think government have brought allowance for professional development? At first, it was inset. There was an inset program. Then it came to an end. So this professional development came in so that we as individuals can use that money to learn on our own by attending programs or workshops. Today is not an official day, but it is a time for merrymaking. But whilst we are making merry, I want to remind each one of us that the way we are swallowing the 2,100, it is not the best. Anytime I say it, people laugh. But after you have laughed, sit down in the comfort of your home and ask yourself, am I doing justice to Mother Ghana? Assuming a research comes up and they realize that majority of teachers are not using the money for their purpose, so they will not pay it again, how will you feel? I know people will think that, oh, the government of the day is not good and that, but it is you who have caused it. So let us not sit down for it to be withdrawn. Rather, we should start making good use of it for our own development. One other thing I want to talk about is the issue of poor attendance. Somebody related it to the mining areas, but it cuts across. When you go to the beach side, it is the same. Everywhere in Ellembelle. So the problem is not the mining. The problem is not fishing. The problem is not farming, because these activities have been with us from our young time. The problem is our parents and guardians. Parents and guardians are not taking good care of their own children. So the child is growing. The child needs 3 square meals. If a parent can afford 2, it is better. But where a child will wake up from morning to evening and the parent cannot give the child anything, as the child grows, the child is looking for an opportunity to make ends meet. So because of the irresponsible aspect of parenting, the children are now fending for themselves. That is why they can't come to school every day. Now, if you listen to the new program that has come, Lively Minds Together, I have told the head teachers, have they shared with you? Hello? Have they told you there's a program running for Nzima, the language we are talking about now? They do the program in Nzima. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And they do it in Nzima so that all Nzima communities will understand what they are talking about. And the focus is on the parents and guardians. Please find a day. Today is Wednesday.